thank you for tuning in. I'm Stig Korsholm and welcome to my channel, Amplify Imagination. This is my first video, so I'm on new grounds here regarding video creation, so please bear with me. Today I'm going to walk you through something really exciting, how to install Ollama and the latest Llama models, in this case the 3.2 model on Windows. If you're someone just getting started with AI, curious about local models, this is a video for you. Head over to Ollama.com and here you select the download option in the middle of the page. Take you to another download page, where you select Windows and push the download for Windows button, and then the download should start automatically. After it's downloaded, you head over to the download folder and push the Ollama setup.exe and push the install button, and then you wait for the installation. I fast forwarded this installation just to show you that when it's done, the screen just disappears. So don't worry about that, because that's normal. To verify the Ollama installation, you start up a command prompt and you type Ollama and push enter. And then you will get a screen like this, and it shows that Ollama is active. Then we need to pull our model, and to do that we just type in Ollama, pull, and then the model name, in this case Llama 3.2, and hit enter. And then it starts pulling the model. It's a 2 GB model, this Llama 3.2, so it's not that much, but it takes some time anyway. So I fast forward the download to show you how it looks, and yeah, it needs to pull some different files, and it's verified, and there you have it. Now it's pulled to your machine. Then to run it, you type Ollama run, and the model name 3.2 here, Llama 3.2, and push enter. Then it loads the model, and you're ready to input some query or some prompt into the model. So what is domain-driven design? And it gives you an answer. So simple installation. And there you have it. You successfully installed Ollama and Llama 3.2 on your Windows machine, and you're ready to explore the endless possibilities that AI has to offer. Whether you're looking to use these models for automation, for research, or just to experiment, this local setup gives you all the freedom that you need. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content, tutorials on AI and technology. If you have any feedback, please leave them in the comments, and I'll be looking forward to that. I'll be covering more advanced topics in future videos, including fine-tuning models and working with even more AI tools. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.